I was always concerned about performing an inspection of the electrical system. The electrical panel and the meter, and then the breakers and the wiring and all the devices in the house. It was one of my biggest weaknesses. My strengths was really, well, I built homes, like I explained in the introduction. And so I was pretty confident about all the other things, but I hired a master electrician to do all the electrical work. So when I became a home inspector, I had to take a ton of training courses and read a ton about electrical. Well, we have something a little bit better than that. We have some really good electrical training videos. Videos are easier to learn from, right? Instead of reading 1,000 words, let's watch a video about advanced electrical inspection techniques. And we have that. So many home inspectors are weak in this electrical inspection area. So let's check out this advanced electrical inspection video. You don't have to complete the advanced electrical inspection video course and final exam. Just scan through the instructional videos. They're that good. So click the link and you get to the landing page. And here's the video. It's an introductory video.
Hi, I'm Gromicko from Natchez TV. We have Paul Abernathy, the electrical guru, in our studios today. Welcome, Paul.
Good to be here.
Paul, we built this for you. These are some of the components that a home inspector would see during a normal residential inspection of a home inspection. And it's filled with electrical defects, violations, problems, concerns. And we would like you to help us understand what a home inspector would do when they walk up to these components inside a house.
Sure.
Where do you want to start?
Well, the first thing I like to start generally would be pull it straight out. See how I'm keeping it in front of me? The one other one I see is we have aluminum. Now, when I use a 10-ohm breaker like this or 2-pole breaker, and I do a multi-wire circuit, if it's a poor connection, I might have a situation where I read that breaker a lot higher than any other ones. Incidentally, you know how GFI works. The other issue is look how it's installed. That I can only have a case to neutral connection. And as we move it, the breakers will come. We're going to move it to the right to slowly keep the shield from blocking in front of us. I'm looking at this bus bar. This house was built just a couple years ago. Now, if you look at this meter, this is a typical rectangular style meter. That's an important thing to remember when you're doing an inspection. I figured we'd give you an example of what you do during a routine home inspection inside the dwelling. This whirlpool requires it to have access to the pump that's underneath. Now, the spacing of receptacles would require it to be within 2 feet of the sink or 2 feet from ranges. So I'm going to infrared it and see what kind of readings I get. I just like to say for all the home inspectors out there that are struggling with electrical issues, take your time, study hard. Take the classes that are provided for you from InterNACHI is you couldn't put a price on it. Okay, we're covering so many things in a small amount of time, and we're obviously there's some things that we're going to leave out because every installation is different, every inspection is different. But don't stop your education and learn. And some of these topics that we talk about could go even more in depth in the way we talked about them. And don't be afraid to ask somebody questions that might know a little more than you do on it, and don't be shy about it.
So that's what we recommend. You don't have to take the entire course. It's a long, advanced electrical inspection training course, but there are videos inside that are really good. You can just scan through the videos. There are 3 of them, and there they are on the left side here, part 1, part 2, and part 3. And as an InterNACHI member, you have unlimited access to these courses. And at any time, you can complete it by doing the assignments, the quizzes, and the final exam and downloading the certificate of completion. Or you can just pop in and pop out of any course and take advantage of any of the resources within any course at any time, on any device, from anywhere. So it's a great thing to be an InterNACHI member because if you're weak in certain areas, just like I was, you have all of the resources you need, free and online and unlimited, so that you can strengthen that weakness. So let's go through the videos of the Advanced Electrical Inspection video course. Don't need to take the final exam, but let's watch those videos.